Yeah. Welcome to the countdown. Oh my gosh. Box cover, this is Duttyberry and welcome to another social media countdown. Now, I not have nothing to say because I know una wonder why it takes so long. But I think I'm just going to reveal it all. Just swipe up right here and you'll hear what I have to say. Swipe up right here so you hear what I have to say. I'll address every single thing. But no, let's get into the countdown. I'm going to be giving you guys a top 20. And so, yeah, we have a whole heap of things to cover. So let's get right into it.
The dirty or the berry, yeah, the juicy or the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happened of the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 20, me easy shoes. So, rapper big mogul Mr. Kanye West is actually stepping into Jamaica. Him should be at Jamaica right now at Emancipation Park for his Sunday service, but they're going on Sabbath on Friday at Emancipation Park. Some don't really know how that works. But basically he is bringing him church in Kanye West choir to Jamaica.
Killers, murderers, drug dealers, even the strippers. To the victims of welfare, we living in hell here, hell yeah. Now hear me, wanna see thee more clearly. I know he hear me when my feet get weary. I ain't afraid that we ain't spoken so long. Kingston, we love you. God loves you. Jesus loves you, yes I know, cause the Bible tells me so. Jesus loves me, yes I know, cause the Bible tells me so. Jesus loves me, yes I know, cause the Bible tells me so. Jesus loves me.
Everything is in place, more or less. The ministry is facilitating the concert in Jamaica. Kanye West is paying for absolutely everything. They'll be spending over $1 million for this event in Jamaica. They have covered their own air charter flights coming in.
Yes, we reach
local hotel accommodation. They're spending a substantial amount on technical services. A large number of Jamaicans will be hired. They reached out based on the recommendation of a Jamaican who works with him. And the best we could do is to facilitate them in making the arrangements. It is at no cost to the Jamaican government or to the ministry. Jamaica is
right about now. What about people in Jamaica having mixed opinions? Some people really want to go, like me. I kind of want to go. it really a go on right now, you know. So if you watch me, like you should have the Emancipation Park. Me no know how Emancipation Park will work out because it's not really that big like stadium and Trelawney multi-purpose stadium. I remember when Christopher and Nadi in a Rising Stars and a big stampede and chaos were going, me no know how Kanye West service have across it. But me kind of hope that him bring Kim and then bring Nat West and our other little friends, Scott Data or something like that, and the whole of them kind of come so we can probably glimpse them. I don't really know, but hopefully while you watch this and people on the live, I am not actually at home, so I'm actually a fight and I'm squeezed through in a line to try to get through to the Kanye West Sunday service on a Friday. Let me know what you think about it, Burritos. Do you think there is something cultish about Kanye West and him whole choir and the whole little vibe there? Do you think it is, you know, not in a line with, you know, Christianity? I would love to hear your thoughts down below. Sound Number 19, Shadow It. My brakes draw. So, you know this video I'm talking about, you know, shadow the brakes and this whole entire talk, it becomes a part of the conversation right about now. So I have Kanye Get a Wow, Macaroni, we have Holy Position, and now there is something called Shadowy Brakes. Now, this video go viral long weeks ago, but I don't know how it never reached on the countdown. But basically, them have a longer version of the video, so that's what I'm going to show you right here now. Check it out.
Automatically, put the hand down so. Leg of the hand. Put the hand down so. I have the one in there so. That means that we're not, yeah. So you just follow the road. Come off the gas now and shadow the brake. Come off the gas and shadow the brake. Like you put your foot over the brake as if anything you can hold the brake. Yeah. Put your foot over the brake as if anything you can hold the brake. You understand me? Yeah. Anytime you go downhill, you shadow the brake. Shadow the brake means you put your foot over the brake. You not to hold the brake, you don't hold the brake. You put your foot in position to hold the brake. Yeah. That means if anything you can hold the brake. Yeah. And you find so you're clear. Yeah, you touch little more gas. You have to watch your patrol, yeah? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Go on where you hold brake for you not go on, man. Yeah, just take time, put your foot on the brake and pop on the gas and do your yard. Yeah. Brake and cool on yourself and go on. Like now, shadow your brake now. Shadow your brake. Hey, tap! Bomba blood clot. You don't see brake that's up?
Yeah, man, me just... Me put in reverse, man, for sleeping.
Yo, easy, man, easy. Tap now, brother.
Get anything?
My youth, where you going to post? You see road this, you see road this up. You see road this, you see road this, you going to post. But you see road two sides, where you going to post I go? Me bum.
Number 18, Cardi and the Chicken. What? My word, my sentence. So rapper Cardi B posted this video on her social media recently with her showdown for a nice Jamaican culinary masterpiece. I never know what I chat say. Basically, she did that show for a chicken food pre. Honestly, Cardi, you never have to deal with the chicken foot, so no man, like, oh my gosh. Cardi did a mince through that piece of chicken foot. Let me know what you think about Cardi, you know, having chicken foot. Do you like chicken foot, or you kind of think it kind of gross and weird like cow tongue? Sound off below. Number 17, Candy and Lali. Me cornflakes. So Lali have a new song, boy. The song is shell, preet.
And your girl is from Reborn and now we girl no scan. Every girl what we touch say tough like can. If I was a duck and them girl was a duck, every quack shake what we kill her with from.
And in it, of course, him there for put in Miss Can I Get a Wow, Candy herself, and she take with the last part of the video. But pretty look behind the scenes of when they were shooting people. Let me know if you actually rate the video of the burritos. Number 16, Jamaicans be like. My word! So this new upcoming social media personality by the name of Anil Jade, hopes that may I get her name correctly, posted this video kind of showing how Jamaican men are ignorant sometimes to do certain words with them use, and you know them just kind of, you know, cross hanger and are miserable.
You're Mr. Robinson, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, first and foremost, I just want to say thank you so much for volunteering.
No problem.
Second, I want to say all this information will be kept confidential. It's just a study of Jamaican men, specifically 100 men per parish. So let's get all you need. Oh yes, all that you're required to do is to just read the word that you see on the paper. All right?
All right, that sounds simple.
All right, let's go. Gyal Park, Gyal Devil, Gyal Chester, Few, Gyal Polly. Manish water. Wait, so why don't you say gyalish water?
Cause we not suck. We not eat gyal, we not bow.
Clitsford. Repeat.
Clitsford. It come from clitoris. The circle something.
Straight horrid. Gyalgo. Pumtionary. Come again?
Pumtionary. Like pum pum, porky, vagina, vajayjay.
Oh. Swim round. What's a fish is an animal that just lives in water?
We not deal with that. Yeah. Bond that. Aye. Selassie, Ja, ba 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 ba, roga roga shanty panty, me like pino wally, waga 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 waga.
Very just make sure say follow right here, so you know, run in and support her because you know you don't have a whole heap of girls, females in the space. So yeah, big up yourself, Anil. Number 15, the Curtis spin. Me gads man. So this brother there, boy, your boy, him look like him did a ramp with Fame Job when basically, you know, him did there and do the little flick off the wrist. Things say him in a Wild Wild West with Will Smith and all kind of things, and somebody upload it with Fame little hard rifle. And basically end up lose him job and him license. Now look at that.
Oh, yeah, Billy the Kid, yeah.
What a hell of the week you are took. Boy, you have to be careful where you know, careful people. What you know, J.A. Me gungo peas. So Daniel Loveless, the brother from Trinidad and Tobago, who, you know, brings you them type of hilarious Vox Pop videos here, called What You Know, came to Jamaica recently. Look for one interview, cause yeah, me and him have a, you know, have a nice interview. But anywho, he came to Jamaica recently and took to the streets of Kingston and Harvey to ask people some very, you know, tricky questions. And here is how they did.
What is the fifth letter of the alphabet? What is the fifth letter of the alphabet?
E.
And how many letters are there of the alphabet?
$32.
Wow, boy.
And what's his name?
His name is. Name again. Give him name. Mr. Golden.
Wow. You know what? It's not Jamaica alone. If you actually go and check out his other videos, you'll realize that people, give ridiculous answers all over the globe. What you doing? My word! So this social media influencer by the name of Shellan876 took to her Instagram to basically vent her frustration on how Jamaican men have a tendency for when they have a conversation with a female, them just upon this one, what you doing, this one WYD type of line. Every little day the same thing and the conversation now evolve. Pray.
Alright, men, when you meet a woman and you hit it off and then you exchange numbers and you get to talking, are there any plans in the near future to expand beyond what you're doing? And there's some, I don't even have the energy to type out what are you doing, or you just give me the, WYD. So WYD, what you doing? Do you plan to make any type of conversation? Do you want to find out more about the woman? Like, so she said, what you doing? I'm at work late. Okay, so, you're working late, is it something you do normally, where you have some projects that you... Make some conversation. And you're just going to watch you doing people to death? Like when you're just going to provoke people's heart and soul? Is that what you're doing? Yo, I swear to God. If you're bad, message back my phone and ask me what may I do. If you're bad.
Oh wow, wow, Shellan, yeah, the last part though. Ladies, do you think she's onto something? Is she accurate right here? Sound off below. Police get away. Oh wow, Dev one year though. I don't even know if I'm supposed to put it on the countdown, but basically the police that try to, handcuff one brother and it never really turned out like how them plan it. Pray.
Jesus Christ, please.
Driver, just calm down. Just calm down.
Watch out!
I mean, what you have to say after that, Jamaica is not a real place at all. But in the end, me hear them actually they catch him and yeah, him end up in a jail. So I guess all's well that ends well. I don't know.
I need some action, tender satisfaction. Let us, my chemistry is flowing. Can you cause a chain reaction? I need some action, tender satisfaction. Tell us, my chemistry is flowing. Can you cause a chain reaction? Bedroom woman, she don't want that, She want a man to caress her up like a soap. Man, I make love to women, they reward them. I go, woman, a ball in a agony and holler out. So hardcore loving and you must see insane. Oh man, don't want no man to make you feel pain. Sweet loving in the falling rain. Sweet loving that makes up our brain. Action, not about the good. Sweet loving make the girl go down. Action, not about the good. Sweet loving make the girl go down. I need some now.
Right about now, it's time for the big up segment.
Well done. Before the girls them sexy and young. Run come, sing along. Well then, pick up your friend.
Alright, so welcome to the big up segment. We're there with Big Pop.
Pop. Soon
You
play
get the name there from and all kind of things.
soon turn Slim Pop, you see me I say?
We say actually wait, you plan for to lose weight, you come on like the show on TV, you said like losing it.
I mean when losing it.
Wait.
Start about that.
Alright, so me say I have one new video. So don't watch my smile, don't watch my face. So why
Don't watch my life,
Yeah.
don't watch my style, don't watch my pants, don't watch
Yeah, that's
your
a simple-
I me love smile. I'm just a simple child. Take it away, you what? This video here, named Simple Child. You see me I say? Produced by Black Love label. You see me I say? So look out for you because you are going on. I'm simple like Una and Nana. You see me I say? Big Pop representing. I hear follow me on IG, Big Pop Real. And from bookings, I don't know, say check out Big Pop bookings at gmail.com. Or you can call the number on the screen. Because Duttyberry, I put
Yeah,
a
me
number
go put
right
number
there.
right
So
there, so.
one number there's some booking contact this number and things. So you're going to see it on the screen. So see it there right now. Yeah, see it there. Yeah, alright then. So look out for the video. Big Pop, simple.
Energy never drain, can me charge on the day soul or never drop. Don't watch my life, don't watch my style, don't watch my pants, don't watch my Kyle. I just love smile.
Just smile.
I'm just that simple child. Can't see my pain, don't watch my fame. I've been through the struggle, I play the game, but I keep on smiling.
Just smile.
I'm just a simple child.
Number 10, Wally Entourage. Me irks. So while the British social media influencer posted one video on her Instagram and talk about a bunch of things about the type of cronies. Cronies, the group is the entourage that most of these dancehall artists walk with.
I one thing me know a man we walk up and down back artists day and day out and loyal to some of them boy me don't know. At time when I waste a whole heap of man you see I walk up and down back artists and a par with the artists every day and I tell you say them artists are par and all they have and that we can tell you say them artists are par hungry man. Whole heap of man run artists and hungry man artists send go buy all food man all them must go buy food then not get enough food white squall kill them. The only thing some of them can get when came get a back of water some of them most them can get is a split. So nothing for yam pan the hungry belly boy you can't get a split for hungry things somehow not get. And some artists them when we start dealing with loyal soldier them the boss said them we back out we ready to do the damage and the things them phone out to some of them hungry now make them weak when time come when something for really go along. You have some man a power back artists and they have the courage to beg them all 500 Jamaican dollars. You think I joke me I tell you about? Me I tell you no artists deal with the man them better back on. Me no want a man we follow up on back hard.
Oh jeez, I'm Pima. Wow, ding ding dong. Yes, Wally, I feel like you hit the nail where you're supposed to hit it, and a whole heap of people, yeah, the one that connect for a whole heap of people right about now. What do you think, Berry does? Do you think she's actually correct? Sound off below. Number 9, Spice tells Megan. Ooh, basically, so you know, say Megan the Stallion, you know, the woman there with the vibranium knees them, was at the BET Hip Hop Awards recently. Spice was in the audience, and the cameraman looked at them, go catch Spice. I throw some shade while Megan was collecting an award. Pre the video. So when that happened, you know, everybody go on Twitter talk about, oh, why Spice a cut your eye after Megan, why she a be so shady and so salty, and Spice had to, you know, come online and then give the receipts and show that no, it was just a moment in time and no little shade or bad blood is in her heart because she's actually a Meg the Stallion fan. Well, I guess once again, all is well that ends well. Boy, Spice, you and the countdown, you didn't miss it one time, but now you're back because we have another one of Spice on the countdown later on. But you have to just go continue watching to hear me talk about that. Number 8, Water. Wow. Me NWC. Me not even gonna talk about this. We just watch the video here, but basically the woman here captured the spirit of Rosie. Rosie, we need justice. No man, one thing we like with Jamaican people, we are so expressive. When we want video light and attention, we know exactly what to do to get the type of vibe there. Wow. Number 7, QQ moves. Once again, boy, QQ, you know, QQ for hits like Stucky and Rumor and all kind of things, but these days, Mr. QQ look like, you know, him out for be like the younger version of Dexter Daps and them type of thing, them a channel now. And he put up this video, a show say him actually can move like anybody from Trinidad and Beer things, and boy, it gets whole heap of reaction online.
Shake that booty when you back it down. 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 Shake that booty when you back it down.
Let me know what the top burritos sound off below. Number 6, Steve Harvey J.A. Wow, this is definitely a big deal, big setting. So Steve Harvey, Mr. Hightower, Mr. I'm losing show, but him, I think him still about him at the Family Feud thing where everybody love. Visited Jamaica recently, was actually invited by Sajikor to come down and give, you know, motivational talks, and he came to the island in very fine style.
Yes, here comes the man, the man himself. Steve Harvey.
So let me know, readers, what would you ask Steve Harvey if you got the opportunity to be in his presence? Number 5, Shibby versus Spice. Me fuck back ill. That one, you know, me never know if me really want to talk about it, but I do not know where basically started. Me just hear say Keith Shabba Ramsey must they online now, and you know, him put up some little video and basically attack say him now like how Spice kind of put herself together and how she dress and them look something there. You know, him take it look further than him usual like kind of style. And in the middle of this now, apparently Spice jump in on the live. Here say him did on one live. I talk about her jumping and she say, yo, FaceTime, I'm calling now, we can hash this out right here. And Shabba was just like, no, what you do over here and all kind of things and one back and forth and it just kind of get messy. Spice is supposed to reveal it, me not hear nothing all know. So me I hope say somewhere along the line.
Ask Spice why she ate Lisa hype. So why she ate Lisa hype talk? Spice, me get up underneath your skin and the argument done. And me go forever talk about you. And wait till you talk about say, me calling name on YouTube because me for go and eat. She's a copycat.
Copycat.
Ain't that truth? Me for go and eat. Spice, remember me contribute to your career. Me Keith Shabba Ramsey contribute to your career. I'm still a do it. Spice, make a reason. Make a reason, Spice. Make a reason. Unless Hardy dead, YouTube check can't mind me.
Yeah.
YouTube check can't mind me unless Hardy dead. Girl, sorry. Mind man.
God no real.
They not come out of your, they might not come out of your baby father belly and him free. Oh, be a dolly.
She shares her 2 cents because the last time I see something like this with a female and Shabba, it was what's her name again? Kiva the Diva. So and that was quite a saga. So I hope this because I can't imagine Spice. Them 2 days is just like some best of the best festival type of settings. Like wow. Alright, so in a battle of a cuss out, a big tracing match, who do you think would come out on top? Keith Shabba Ramsey or Spice Official? I want you to answer the question, the poll right here, so and sound off below. I wonder who would I really win for true.
Billions of dollars, isn't it? What do you think kind of crash up now? Money not too circumcised again like one time, isn't it? And the money kind of Russian and thing, is it?
Number 4, Popo Daps. You know, when them say like the devil find whatever for idle hands. So this brother is a member of the police force, and I guess during him like a break or whatever time, him you know him a feed him like a self, him a listen him like a music, you know, and decide say him a go. You know, I do a little thing for the camera though. I do not know how this video drop out. I don't know if I'm later him there send a little video. But the brother they are feeding myself and all of a sudden they're all over social media. But big up yourself youth anyway in there. Popo Daps.
Them girl from me camp and a Guinness, and she would tell us it's all about me image. Style of every girl in her feeling. Y'all have a ball for star ball and a skimmy. Them girl from me camp. Before me start the paper, dance for no one, dance for later. Amount of girl in the data, dog me need a calculator.
She's the arm and a waist man. She want to link up on the earcut. Say she on here around there wait for me. Pull up in on my straight jeans and my babe Gansy. Me a real bad man, that's why she love me. She know want the money, she just
I wonder if he would actually get reprimanded for this. I actually wonder if the people that are forced to reprimand him because of this video. What do you think Barry does? Number 3, airport flea. Me gizada me air Jamaica. So the video here now, apparently somebody tried to escape to actually migrate, go to higher shores, higher waters via hiding in one luggage. And them get catch like me can't believe this happened in 2019. Me can't believe somebody thinks them could have really kind of hide themselves in a luggage and reach a foreign. You tell me now. But now nothing for some done. Number 2, Rihanna is Jamaica. Me on the replay. So international superstar, pop star Rihanna basically became a trending topic recently after there was a whole Twitter drama between the Bajans and the Jamaicans because you know them did that kind of shade the currency and say well currency not really strong compared to them, and Jamaicans in return decided to say alright, since you're not gonna go and so watch, since you're not gonna try style with the whole money thing, look how we're going to take out the one thing we're gonna have. You know, I'm not really I agree with that one, but I say that was the feeling behind it. And they decided to say, Irwa, you know, say if it pretends that Rihanna is ours, The world will believe we. And that is what they Boxfoot did. They decided to start to talk about and mention things about Rihanna as if it was historical fact. So much to the point that even if you try to ask Siri what is Rihanna's nationality, Siri going to tell you, sir, Rihanna is actually Bayesian and Jamaican. But out of all of the memes, there were so many memes. There were memes about Rihanna used to participate in a JCDC festival, how she used to in a bank line at ILO, how she used to go downtown and buy things at shop, all kind of excitement. But one of the biggest things that take the cake for me is the one that put out Rihanna did enter Rising Stars back in the day and have the judges' reactions and beer things, all TVJ logo.
It's a long road when you face the world alone. No one reaches out a hand for you to hold. You can find love if you search within yourself, and the emptiness you felt will disappear. Oh no, no, the Lord knows dreams are hard to follow. Don't let anyone take that away. No, no, hold on. There will be tomorrow. In time, you'll find a way. Then a hero comes along with the strength to carry on.
Jamaican people, but now the people saying come no one come take me on right now. But all me say when Jamaican people come together on social media, it is so witty. They can be so savage and so intelligent. It was quite fun. I hope the Bayesians them never take it too serious so that them, you know, for the most part they kind of understand. So it's really a little joke thing. But let me know your thoughts about the burritos. What do you think about this whole fact of Jamaicans trying to turn Rihanna into a Jamaican? And number one goes to Devin Di Dakta new video. Woo! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. So, former Magnum King and Queen winner Devin Di Dakta, reggae Grammy nominee and beer things, took social media by storm recently after he posted this picture kinda in female garb, female attire, similar to, you know, appear as cross-dressing in Walipa basic Jamaican eyes. And it ignited quite a number of reactions online. Now, if you know Jamaica, we not even have a pretense say we don't know what the comment sections would have looked like. You're gonna hear all kind of things we didn't know, fire, burn this, all kind of something there. To which Devin Di Dakta posted, "Boom gosh, man." Oh god, that sound bad. Boom gosh, man. That is all we can go with this whole entire quote. So he said, "I do not nor do I intend to make music for ignorant people. Any day for the rest of my life, you guys see me create something and any person or group feel offended, please do not look out for an apology from me. I will forever express myself in whatever way I feel comfortable. If only one person understands my expression, then I've achieved my goal. I won't limit my creative skills to please any one person or group, whether religious, political, etc. It's simple. If I sing something or make a video that you don't like, change it and unfollow me. And by the way, y'all should consider being open-minded. You don't have to still. I'm just saying, it will let you not stress over what has nothing to do with you. You don't have to accept something, but at least try to understand it before you cast your judgment." With that said, check out my song and music video on my YouTube channel. So when he addressed the naysayers and the people who had a lot to say in the comment section, he posted a video online. The video is called Internet.
The bag of followers and likes, yes it do pay. But think about the internet, go down for 2 days. Starting this Sunday, then Tuesday or Doomsday. You need to understand the internet is just a show. People just a show the finish line like them na book a tour. But I know the shortcut draw blood from me young a grow. Anything what me a go for, me prefer pick up a slow. Distraction is something you have to overthrow. Enough people inside synonymous without a door. So just relax and watch your crowd in at the boat a row. Cause when it capsize, you're not gonna say me shoulda know yo.
And boy, when I say this video is something that feel like Devin Di Dakta with this video definitely separated himself from the people who are in the dancehall scene right now. He basically established himself as a thinker, as somebody who is not here to play into the status quo, somebody who is here to own his own entire space and actually to bring some intelligence to this genre that we call dancehall. And watch the video, I'm gonna say, yo, like, even from this, I'm doing a video, I play one madman. And I say, yo, Devin seems like him just a tap into a next level, I'm own a creativity, and he's finding ways to penetrate the mainstream. And clearly this stunt or whatever you'd call it has worked, and it has, you know, part of the reason why he ended up #1 and trending in Jamaica after he posted this video. Because you know how people stay, you create like excitement and bloom, everybody interested. This is just how the generation exists, and this is how I guess he manipulated this social media game in 2019. So good job, Devin Di Dakta. Looking forward to hear more hit songs and more videos and to see where your creativity takes you. Well, that's it, readers. We've come to the end of another social media countdown at top 20 at that. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, ensure that you give me a thumbs up, yes, and also to leave a comment down below so that I can know which part of the countdown you enjoyed, and I can hear giving an opinion on a different topic them that I have addressed. And also, if you're new to the channel, or if you're not new, come know all the people who come on the channel and don't subscribe, I am beseeching you one more time to hit the subscribe button. Trust me, you're going to have a whole host of videos coming up, whole one bag of new content and all kind of things I'm sure you do not want to miss. And also, if you want to follow me on social media, it is at TheDuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all over. And if you want to book me or to advertise in the social media countdown, just hit me up at DuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. Now, take care until next time. Right now, Yeezy is supposed to be on the stage at Emancipation Park. I shell it down, making my only hopes I came there. That is all me I say. Big up to all the people who are on the live. Sorry for making you waiting so long, but yes, make sure to swipe up and look at the video, and where I'll explain exactly what was going on with me during the last couple of weeks. Take care until next time, readers. You know some love, you know, to the max. Peace out. The dirty are the berry, are the juicy are the scoop.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth.